Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today we have already February. Of course, we're on February 6th. So maybe this isn't as early as I thought and it probably got slowed down a little bit. But I have my single swag. Yeah, and we're going to find out what they sent. This just came today, so we're going to pop right in there. And before I do, I want to do a special welcome to all my subscriber friends. And if you're new here, I would like to ask you to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back and see us each time we have a video, if you can. Now, I do realize time is a commodity for all of us, and I just want you to know that I appreciate each and every time you can come by and stop to see what I have to present. I really do appreciate you. Thank you. Now, with the single swag, this is a monthly box that you can get for $39.99. Every once in a while, they'll have a 50% off coupon. And I think they've got one floating around out there. And I can't remember exactly what the code is. But I want to say it's Valentine. But I'm not 100% on that. I seen that and I wrote it down somewhere. And I can't find where I wrote it down. But anyways, it's $39.99, and I did get mine for 50% off for the whole year, which brought it down to about $16, $17 a box, which is an excellent purchase. You're going to have anywhere from 6 to 8 items, probably a treat, lifestyle items, maybe some jewelry, and some beauty cosmetics of some sort, and it usually has a value of at least $200. So let's pop in here and see what we have for our single swag. And don't forget to hashtag love yourself. It's the single swag way. And also remember, you don't have to be single to enjoy single swag. Now we get this, like I said, once a month. Let's get in here and see what we have for February. You think it's set up for Valentine's Day? I bet it is. If it's not, it should be. Okay, here we go. Here's our product card. It has everything on there. Looks like we have a $232 value. And this says, the way you treat yourself sets the standards for others. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. And it looks like we have 8, maybe 9 items in the box. And you can win your next box. If you want to go here, you want to screenshot that and go back and read it, you may be able to win you a free box. If the 50% off coupon code doesn't work, I do have a $15 off your first box, and I'll have that information down in the description. But let's get on here and find the first item. Our first item is our premium brand, it says. And please keep that with a grain of salt. This is their jewelry item, and they say that it has a value of $56. So let's see. I forgot to give y'all a sneaky peeky, but there's our little sneaky peek. And let's find our jewelry. Okay, I bet you it's in this butterfly bag. And let's see what it says. Enjoy this trendy, versatile jewelry from high-quality brands. Wear it by itself or stack it with some of your favorite pieces. So let's see what we have here. Oh, well, that's kind of cute. And I could see where you could stack it. I don't know that it's worth $56, but it is a set. And you have some earrings, and those are like some little stud earrings with, I guess, like a little diamond gold. And the product brand is Rich Bloom. That's the one I have. Now, they might not have gave a specific brand on here because maybe everybody's getting something different. But I don't know, is that Macerate Bloom? Is that how you would pronounce that? Or Mersearch Bloom? But that's what we have, and that's very cute. And like I said, I don't know if I would pay that much. I would be hard-pressed to pay $25, and that'd be half. But they do always overstate their jewelry, in my opinion. Okay, guys, the next item is the Positivity Kit, and this is by Lisa Curie, and it has a $20 value. So let's see what the Positivity Kit is. Okay, the Positivity Kit is a book. Now, I will tell you, at least, I think 4 times a year, 3 to 4 times, they will send a book out with their boxes. And this is one of those times. And this is a $20 value. It says Ready, Set, Happy. This is the Positivity Kit. And it says it's designed to deliver joy, comfort, and smiles whenever you need them, brimming with surprising and fun prompts and activities that focus on the good things in life. So this is an interactive book, and it's guaranteed to cheer up the grumpiest person. So we'll see about that. It's like an activity book. Yummy dinner. And then we have best dance moves I've ever tried. That ought to be interesting. And then design yourself a novelty mug for every day, and then you can design it right there on the blank sheet. And then, did you ever know that you're my hero? And then you could put in who your hero is and why. And then they ask you some more questions. So it looks pretty interesting. Thought-provoking best friends appreciation page. So that's really nice. I went to, all I got was this awesome t-shirt. Okay. So anyway, you see what I'm saying. And there's a place for your happy songs. Yep. Always a good thing. So lots of positivity. So that's a good thing. I like that. Okay. And that was a $20 value. Our next item is a Kitsch pop band. And this is a 5-piece hair, the bracelet set. And so I think I saw that a while ago. And that would be right here. So I'm going to say these are stretchy, and you can use them as a bracelet or you can use them in your hair. And it's a pop band, and it's got a value of $10. It's a 5-piece hair and or bracelet set, and these must-have accessories are sweet, simple, and easy to wear year-round. So I would have to say that's a true statement. And I like the colors. Do y'all like the colors? I like that real sparkly one. So they're nice colors, and spring is coming around the corner, so they're good spring colors. The next item we have is a Chloe Emerald, and this is a Coid Therapy Ice Roller. So let's check this out. Do y'all have an ice roller? I have some ice globes, and there's 2 of them that I can put in the refrigerator and or the freezer. So this here is in green, and you would get it cold, and then you'd roll that on your face. So that's very nice. I think this is the first time I've ever seen one packaged in a nice box. Most of them seem to come, I think I've seen them in advent calendars, and they've just got, the spot for them inside the calendar. So this is very nice. So let's see what it has to say. It says, enjoy the benefits of a professional cold therapy from the comfort of your own home or on while to go with this therapeutic beauty essential. Apply to skin or face or body. For best results, leave in the freezer for at least 4 hours prior to use. So you actually put it in the freezer to get it nice and cold. So that's very nice. I'd say that's a winner. Our next item is Bare Beauty, and it's a 5-piece natural collagen infused lip mask set. And that would be right here. And they're mask, and they're naturally collagen infused, and they're 5-pack. So we're going to have 5 packages of lip mask in here. And those would be very good, especially this time of year. Your lips seem to get a little dry. So that's perfect. So let's see what it has to say. It says it's a $28 value, and it says, pucker up. Your lips are about to get a special treat. Each mask treatment will create a fuller lip appearance, reduce fine lines, all while providing maximum hydration to your kisses. So there you go. You'll be all set for Valentine's Day. Ooh. All right, now that's pretty good too, and that was a $28 value. Our next item is a sponge gel, and that is right here. And we seem to get this a lot from Single Swag. I'm just saying, I've seen it several times. This is a $20 value, and it's a Salted Rose Mani-Pedi treatment set. It says the perfect treat for your dry hands and your feet. Infused with skin softening formulations and soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp, will leave your hands and your feet silky smooth, dermatology tested, vegan and cruelty free, and travel friendly. So that'd be great to take on a trip, like if you're going to the beach or something, or you're going to the mountains and feet need a little bit of pampering. And that, it is a $20 value. I think I told you. The next item is Cushion's Naturals, and this is a pomegranate vitamin C repairing serum. And that is right here. Has the pomegranate in it, and it is a $32 value, and it says love your skin with rejuvenating and repairing serum infused with vitamin C, pomegranate oils, and fruit extracts. And that's basically what I just said. But I bet it's pretty good. And I don't know much about this brand, but I do know pomegranate has a high content of vitamin C and is very good for you. To eat them, have them in, pomegranate juice and things like that, very healthy. Our next to last item is a Cella. It's an eyebrow cream in taupe. And that is right here. And it's a Cella. And it says it's an eyebrow cream. It's a $26 value. I don't know that I've ever seen anything like this. It's long-wearing, water-resistant, creamy formula, gives you fuller-looking brows, all in one product, with a buildable eyebrow cream in one hand and an angled brush in the other. It makes flawless application easy. Don't let the velvety consistency fool you. The airlock seal prevents drying, and the cream sets for a perfect finish, so you can have a good brows and good vibes all day long. So, I don't know if I should open this or not, but I'm interested in seeing what it looks like. I've never seen this type of brow product. Have you all seen a brow product like this? It says it has a value of $26. I'm very interested in seeing what this looks like. So I'm going to break it open. Who doesn't want to have the perfect brows, right? I just don't know how to get the seal off. They do package these up well, I'll say that. This is really hard to get into. It's almost like they don't want you to get into it. This is crazy. Okay, I'm just going to have to say, from a packaging point of view, this was crazy to get off. And that would really drive me nuts. But it says you've got the brush on one end, and so I guess that's the one end. And then where's the eyebrow cream? So is that what it is? Is that your eyebrow cream right there? And then this is your brush? So all of that for this, all that work to get into this, and here's what it looks like. You've got some brow stuff in there. I'm gonna dip into it. Oh yeah, it does put a nice little color of brow. That'd be a nice brow color. And I put quite the little dip in there, probably more than I should have. But that's interesting. Well, I'll have to play around with that. I've never seen anything like that, and it's a screw top, so that's why I couldn't just pull it off. But it's so different. Anybody else had one of these? That is just very different. Very different and very hard to open. But anyways, I got it open, and then my last item is my snack, and it is the Kind bar. And this is a delicious caramel and almond sea salt. And I'm going to like that. I really like the Kind bars. And it has a $2 value. So really, I don't know about, the book and everything. But most everything's probably priced about the price it ought to be. I'm not sure about this. It was $28 or $26. But as a recap, we got this interesting Cella cream eyebrow with a brush, and it is cream. We got this cold therapy roller, which is very nice. We got the Babe lip mask. We got these hair. It can either be a bracelet or, hair ties. We got our positivity book. We got our necklace and some dainty little earrings. We got our sponge gel. And we got our Cushy pomegranate vitamin C repairing serum and our snack. So what's your favorite? Let's see here. I'm going to pick for my favorites. I'm going to say this wins for most unusual, okay? But my favorites is probably going to be the vitamin C pomegranate. And I think I'm going to like this positivity book. So I'm going to say these two are my favorites. What are yours? You let me know. And would this be something that you would want to get? And did I get my money's worth? I think even if I paid $39.99 for this, that I would have gotten my money's worth. And even if this really isn't a $56 value, it could easily be a $20 value. You know, sometimes you pay $15 to $20 for some jewelry like that. I like the little butterfly bag. That's cute. But that is my single swag, so let me know what you think. And it was a $232 value. But guys, that's all I have for single swag. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways and collaborations. I do have some still out there, and I have new collaborations coming up. I have a Valentine's collaboration, and I have a very interesting collaboration coming out on the 18th. You'll just have to wait and see. But that's all I have today, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.